Welcome to First Garden, New Gardener. I'm Joey Baird. When it's time to plant peppers, you want to make sure the soil temperature is about 60 to 65 degrees or warmer consistently. They do not like chilly soil. And you want to make sure those nighttime temperatures are above that as well. And if the nighttime temperatures are above that and the soil matches that temperature or above, you're good to go. Now you can get your plant starts from your local independent garden center, big box store, or as we have started them indoors. We started these about 12 weeks before today in order to get them. Peppers are a slow growing plant. That's why it's required to start them indoors so much earlier than your first average frost date or your last average frost date of the year. So I'm just going to pull one out. Got a nice root system here. Now, unlike tomatoes, peppers you do not want to plant any deeper than what they are in the container. Remove some leaves off here. So we've got the hole dug, and as you can see, far too deep. So what we want to do is backfill a little bit until we get right about the same level. Now, if you're about a 1/4 inch more or such, you're okay with that. But that looks good there. And I'm going to take an all-purpose organic fertilizer, put in the hole with the recommended rate, mix it in the hole so you're not directly setting on the fertilizer because that can burn. We recommend an organic fertilizer because it's safe for you, your pets, and the environment. So once that's done, I'm going to put a little, there we go, that's better. I'm just going to backfill. You can go a little bit up the stem, but not terribly much. You want to space these about every 12 inches. That would ensure that the mature plant will brush up against the nature of the neighboring plant, so you have a hedge of pepper plants. Other things you want to do is you want to go on a water regimen, whether manual or electronic. We've got a drip irrigation system that runs 3 times a day for 20 minutes at a time that will properly hydrate the soil. On top of that, we also will incorporate mulch, whether that be seed-free and chemical-free dry grass clippings, leaves that we have stored up, straw, shredded paper. You want to avoid things like wood chips because they don't break down over the course of the season, and you may till them in and it robs the soil of nutrients. Also, pine needles work very well. Synthetic mulches would not be recommended because they don't break down over time. They continue to sit in the soil, and most of them are made from a petroleum product. You can use a weed barrier or weed fabric. There are biodegradable ones that will work very well. So just some options when it comes to planting peppers. Get them in at the right time when the soil temperature is correct, consistently, full sun. They can handle partial shade, and you'll have peppers that you'll enjoy throughout the fall. Thanks for watching. Join me again next time for more First Garden, New Gardener.
For more information, please visit thewisconsinvegetablegardener.com.